It's Kevin again with another dollar origami tutorial. And you may be asking yourself, Kevin, what's that shiny bling that you have on your hand? And how can I make one of those? Well, I will tell you. What we're going to do today is make a diamond ring. A dime-in ring. Diamond ring. Yeah, you get it. Kind of a clever fold. You need $1 and a dime to make this. Let me show you how. And actually I'll set it aside because it is kind of catching the bright lights and might be a little bit distracting while I'm moving it around doing the actual fold. $1. Fold it up in half. This has quite a few folds, but it's not really that complicated. I'll take you through it step by step. Unfold. Fold up to the center. And again from this side, up to the center. And the next is just for creases. Fold it up like so. Give it some really good creases. And then unfold it. And again this side, up to the center. Good crease, and unfold. So we're gonna go ahead and I like to work with it upside down here. George started right side up, so the lettering is upside down now. And what you want to do is you fold it backwards away from you, keeping these open seams. I cheated a little bit. This one already had a crease in the middle. Doesn't have to be a super new dollar on this one. In fact, it's a little bit more forgiving if it's a little bit softer dollar. Not super mushy. Kind of in between. Just crease everything good. And then making sure you do it on the end where the fold is. Fold the points down. Need to make a crease here. Make this one real good and sharp. And again here, folding it down to a point. What we got so far. Unfold that. Those were just for creases. And then open it up and tuck it down inside to make an inward triangle along those creases that you just made. And mash it down flat. You'll end up with a triangle on the inside. Okay, you're going to go do it on this side too. Open it up. Push that down inside like so. Follow the creases that you made. Tuck it down in, like so. Mash it down. So then you've got those points on the inside on both sides. So far we're symmetrical. Now is where we're going to start getting kind of unsymmetrical. So you take, again we're still holding the lettering is upside down. Fold this side, just the top layer, fold that over so that it meets the end there, right where the triangle begins. Just like that. Crease it down good. and fold just the top layer down. Fold that. It's a little bit tricky to do when my fingers are in the way. Fold it down like this. And fold this one down too, down to the center. And that was just the top layer, see? So you end up with a thing that looks like that. Mash it all down good. Now flip it over and fold this layer up to the center. And up here, both sides. Okay, got what I did there. Folded that up to the center here on both sides. So that's this side, and then you have this side. Now what you do is open it up like this, and you'll see a opening there. Bend this down on both sides of the opening and work that open. It's very pointy right now, so work it with your fingers to flatten out that tip. And what you've done is you make a little teeny basket there. That's where the dime is going to go. Put the dime in now, you can. It's kind of a tight fit, it kind of pops in. Down there at the bottom now. And then mash the edges in a little bit. Chances are good that it might pop out when you're messing around with this final fold. Form the curvy ring part by folding these ends down and around your finger. This is especially if you got a brand new crispy one. You want to crease that down some, curl it down some. And then all you have to do is insert this end in this end. There is a little catch here though. What you can do is fold this back just a little bit to taper it just a little. So it's not perfectly, doesn't have to be symmetrical. You can do one side. If you want to do both sides, you can, just so that it's tapered a little bit. And that makes it inserting it there a whole lot easier. I say that as I fumble it. But you get the idea. You insert tab A into slot B back here. Once you've done that, mash them down together and kind of soften the ring portion of it a little bit. And I made it was, this is the maximum size, and that's bigger than I wanted. What you can do to size this one a little bit, I'm going to untaper the long end. Excuse me there. I have a technical issue offside that I need to touch there. Screensaver's going to kick in. To shorten this end, you can make that smaller. You can do it from experience. I found out that this one was just right for me to bend over here, but you can bend it over more if you want to make it even smaller. What you do is, once you bend that over, taper it a little bit again so that you get a little bit better slot to put in there. I mean a better tab to put in the slot, rather. And again, put it in the smaller end, flatten it down, and do a little shaping. You can mash these edges down a bit more. Of course, as I mashed them, this popped out. Get in there. There we go. Tuck it in. And that's how you make the diamond ring. Now, if you propose to somebody with this one, you better make sure they have a good sense of humor. But it might do in a pinch. Thank you for joining me for this today. If you like and subscribe, I'll keep making more videos. And check out some of the other models that I've made. I have videos for all of these things here. Again, this is Kevin. Like and subscribe, spread the word, and thank you for joining me today. See ya.